Welcome to West Palm Beach, Florida, the largest municipality in Palm Beach County. Throughout this video, several changes will be introduced that will be implemented throughout our designated study area of downtown West Palm Beach. Currently, this space has a noticeable lack of connectivity between its four major nodes: City Place, Clematis Street, the Tri-Rail Station, and the proposed Florida FEC line, where the majority of action within the city takes place. Therefore, it is our intention to create a vibrant urban fabric in downtown West Palm, linking these previously mentioned anchors, while also creating several new destinations that will be inviting to pedestrians as well as cyclists. City Place is comprised of 600,000 square feet of retail businesses, including 10 restaurants, a 20-screen theater, open-air plaza, cultural arts theater, and 570 private residences. Come shop in a place where old world architecture, beautiful fountains, and sidewalk cafes create an atmosphere strikingly reminiscent of a European town center. City Place, located in downtown West Palm, is an upscale lifestyle center situated along South Rosemary Avenue. Besides shops and restaurants, this center also includes rental apartments, condos, and office space. The property, which constitutes several city blocks, is chiefly credited for West Palm's urban renaissance. Macy's, Movico Parisian 20 and IMAX, LA Fitness, and Publix are the center's anchors. Other hotspots include Panera Bread, the Cheesecake Factory, Rio Tuscan Grill, Sloan's Ice Cream, Starbucks, and Revolutions, a bowling alley which opened in December of 2013. Apart from shopping, dining, and cinema, the center is now at the forefront of West Palm Beach's entertainment, complementing establishments located on nearby Clematis Street. Now, let's ride along Avernia Street. As you can see, little action is occurring on this stretch of road. Land adjacent to Avernia is generally blighted and has many vacant lots and very few businesses currently operating. Overall, this street fails to connect popular destinations in West Palm Beach and is not frequently traveled by pedestrians or cyclists. Therefore, several opportunities for development exist throughout this street in the future. Here you can see one of the vacant lots found along Avernia Street that emasculates the problem of a lack of connectivity in downtown West Palm Beach. In this area, we propose constructing a project titled Avernia Walls. As you can see, this lot adds to the feeling of blight found throughout much of the area. This project involves constructing many buildings along this vacant land and inviting pedestrians to enter the open space in between. These buildings will provide space for any new businesses wanting to establish a foothold in West Palm and are intended to serve a wide range of purposes, from restaurants and bars to Startup Palm Beach, a local business supporting young entrepreneurs. The highlight of Avernia Walls will be the buildings, as local muralists will be invited to use this space as a canvas to display their work. This will create a welcoming feel for pedestrians as well as encourage people to use an area that previously served no purpose. Also, this will instill a greater sense of community while simultaneously promoting local art. Events will be held with the community, allowing everyday people to expose their artistic side. Overall, we hope this will serve as a new destination and help promote connectivity. The Wynwood Arts District currently comprises more than 70 art galleries, retail stores, antique shops, eclectic bars, and one of the largest open-air street art installations in the world. After taking over what used to be the warehouse and manufacturing district of Miami, developers have revitalized neglected warehouses, abandoned factories, and other unused buildings, converting them into the numerous art complexes, galleries, performing arts spaces, restaurants, cafes, and other creative businesses that are seen there today. A major draw to the Wynwood Arts District is the presence of Wynwood Walls in the area. Since 2009, formerly empty buildings served as canvases for local artists to display street art and graffiti art. These displays have shed a new light on this form of art, which previously was frowned upon by most people. This concept is a major precedent for some of the new developments we are installing in downtown West Palm, as it has been extremely successful bringing people into the once struggling neighborhood. Though the influence and relevance of the arts community in Wynwood is undeniable, new creative businesses of all types are opening their doors in the district and encountering success here. Moreover, in 2013, business owners in Wynwood overwhelmingly voted to establish Wynwood as a business improvement district, a further attempt to foster and support new and existing businesses in the area. We are now riding along the 600 block of Clematis Street, where not much activity occurs despite its adjacent location to the lively 500 block. Pocket Park is a small park commonly situated on one or several vacant building lots or unused pieces of land. While they are usually too small for any physical activities, they nonetheless provide greenery, places to sit and relax, and sometimes small features for children. In highly urbanized downtown areas where acquiring land can be very expensive, pocket parks are oftentimes the only option to construct new public spaces without large-scale redevelopment. Throughout inner city areas, pocket parks are usually a part of urban regeneration plans and provide areas for wildlife to establish a foothold. Also, when not in use, many pocket parks are fenced and locked to prevent any sort of vandalism or other illegal activity. It should be noted that such parks typically increase the value of nearby residential properties and are seen as positive features among community members. This location is a prime point for a pocket park as many businesses are located nearby. People passing will feel the welcoming nature of this pocket park and utilize its space to relax, eat lunch, or catch up with friends. Children will also be drawn to the spot as it will provide a grassy surface to run around with. Early in West Palm Beach's history, Clematis was the predominant street in the area, housing many businesses, hotels, restaurants, theaters, and office space. While this stretch was originally prosperous, the businesses along Clematis fell into a state of decline. Hence, prior to the 1980s, Clematis Street lacked the energy that it currently possesses today. In 1989, with about $12,000 in the bank, the city was determined to initiate broad and comprehensive investments downtown. In support of this, they retained a new DDA director, created a redevelopment assessment program, and commissioned planning and design for an initial downtown project to be called Clematis Street. In 1990, downtown was essentially vacant by 6 p.m. However, now a series of planned events includes Clematis by Night, which routinely attracts 4,000 to 10,000 people every Thursday. Now you can see another large unused lot found between Quadrile, Dixie, Avernia, and Fern. This area, as the picture shows, is rather large and has been unoccupied for many years. This adds to the feeling of absent connectivity, as this area comprises a full block. It is not uncommon to find trash and garbage here, deterring pedestrians from using the space. Similar to the Avernia Walls concept, this area will also serve as an outdoor art exhibit displaying works from different local artists and offering space for businesses within its buildings. An important feature is its inclusion of many entrances and exits, which increases connectivity from all adjacent streets by encouraging people to walk through the lot rather than around it. This location is also directly across from the parking garage with noticeable art displays throughout its stairwells, consistent with the art-oriented theme. Community events could occur in the free space between buildings, and this unused area would become another destination linking the existing anchors downtown. Overall, the changes proposed will increase the feeling of connectedness within West Palm Beach, a drastic contrast from its current state offering several popular destinations with little activity in areas outside of these main anchors. Furthermore, they will highlight local art and history within downtown West Palm while also providing mixed-use spaces for businesses, residents, and governmental organizations alike. These solutions will increase the feeling of community within the city while simultaneously encouraging people to walk or bike within the area as well as spend their leisure time here.